Good morning, students. Continuing our online classes. Today we will be doing the next chapter, the title of which is A Pound of Flesh. This is a part taken from the story The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. The characters include the Duke of Venice, whose role is to uphold the law. Antonio is a merchant. Shylock is a Jewish money lender. Bassanio is Antonio's best friend, Portia's husband. Portia is Bassanio's wife, pretending to be a male lawyer named Balthasar. Nerissa is Portia's companion. Salario is Venetia's man. Gratiano is Bassanio's friend, married to Nerissa. Bellario is famous lawyer, Portia's cousin, doesn't appear, only mentioned. In this story, we see how one friend helps another friend in his times of distress. Here the two friends are Antonio and Bassanio. Antonio is a rich merchant who has many ships that are out at sea. Bassanio, his friend, is not very well off. He loves Portia and can do anything for her. However, Portia is very rich as compared to Bassanio. It so happens that Bassanio meets Antonio and asks him for some money. However, Antonio replies that he has no money to give him, as all his ships are out at sea. However, he feels that he can take a loan from Shylock and pay him the money. Shylock sees this as an opportunity wherein he can take his revenge out on Antonio. He tells Antonio that, okay, how much money do you require? He tells him that I require 3,000 ducats. He says, okay, fine, I will give you the money. However, I will not take any interest, but in place of that, I will take a pound of flesh from any part of your body. Antonio agrees to this and a deed is made, wherein both parties sign. In no time, the news comes that Antonio's ships have been devastated in the storm. He has nothing left. He is a broken man. Bassanio realizes his folly and wants to make amends. Shylock takes this as an opportunity and asks Antonio to repay the loan that he has taken. Antonio asks for time. However, Shylock is in no mood to give him time. Portia, on hearing this, is disheartened. She wants to help her husband as well as his friend who has taken so much of pain to help them reunite. She dresses up as a lawyer named Balthasar and goes to the court. The Duke is in waiting, and when the matter is brought between them, Portia tries to make him understand, that is Shylock, you take money, you take anything, but you don't take the pound of flesh. However, Shylock is adamant regarding this. He only wants the pound of flesh. On umpteen requests, when he is not listening to her, then Portia realizes that nothing can make him understand. She asks for a balance to be brought as well as a sharp knife. Antonio realizes that now his wish of humiliating Antonio will be fulfilled. However, he is in for a rude shock when Portia tells him that you can cut a piece of flesh from any part of the body. However, not a single drop of blood should fall from his body. He realizes his mistake and agrees to this, that okay, I will not cut the pound of flesh, but whatever money he wants to pay me, he can pay me back. Then Portia tells him that when we had requested you not to do this wrong deed, you did not pay heed. We had asked you to take the money, whatever we were giving you, you did not take that. Now you have forfeited the right to take the money, you have forfeited the right to take the pound of flesh, and now whatever you have will be handed over to the government because of your wrong deed. In this way, Shylock becomes the loser. He loses everything that he has. Thank you.